Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to compare Samsung M30 versus M30s. The mobile which is on the left side is Samsung M30 and the right side is Samsung M30s. Both mobiles do not support 5G. Both do not have Corning Gorilla Glass. For this tech review, I have chosen M30 with gradient blue color and M30s with sapphire blue color. M30 has gradient black and gradient blue variants, wherein M30s has opal black, sapphire blue and pearl white. Pixel density of M30 is 394 ppi and 403 ppi for M30s. Screen to body ratio is 90% for M30 and 91% for M30s. Both having quick charging with an 15 volt charging, not an 18 volt charging. The chargers of both mobile looks exactly same and the lettering except the manufacturing date. Okay, let's look at the software versions of both mobile. The left side, which is M30, comes with Android 8 and right side, which is M30s, comes with Android 9. But we can update Android 8 to Android 9 in M30. Okay, now you can see the M30s having an Android version of 9. Also you can see the One UI version, which is One UI core is 1.5 in M30s. But you can see now I have updated M30 with the latest version. But even though if I update the latest software in M30, the One UI version still remain at 1.1 only. Both mobile having a long-lasting battery with 5000 mAh for M30 and 6000 mAh for M30s. Now let's look at the camera quality of M30s. This video I shot as a slow motion video in M30s. This video looks superb, but let's look at the LED lights. You can see small flickering of the lights, which is happening even in iPhones, in any other phone, in the slow motion shots. So there is no complaints. Also, the slow motion videos looks perfectly fine in sunlight. Now let's look at M30's video shot. This doesn't support slow motion videos, but the video comes decent and nice. M30s support 4K recording and M30 support HD recording. Build quality of the mobiles looks pretty cool. M30 comes with dual core processor and M30s comes with quad core processor. Both having Bluetooth 5.0 support and Dolby Atmos. Now let us look at the cameras of both mobile. We have 3 cameras for both mobiles, but the layout looks little different. Flash has been arranged vertically down to the triple camera in M30, but flash has been arranged horizontally in M30s. Also we have 48+8+5 triple camera in M30s and 13+5+5 camera in M30. Now let us look at the rear video settings. You can see on the left hand side, which is M30 having a FHD resolution, and on the right hand side, which is M30s having a UHD resolution, which is nothing but 4K, but in M30 it is FHD, which is HD resolution. Okay, now let's try to change the resolution. In M30 you can see the maximum resolution that you can change is FHD, but in M30s the maximum resolution that you can change is UHD. Default setting may not be UHD, so you need to select UHD. These mobiles are not water resistant. Both mobile comes in the range of 12,000 to 18,500 based on the specifications of RAM and internal memory. You will get some discount for this mobile when you use some cards, also as a form of cashback, and when there is an Amazon Great Indian Sale. Both mobile having 3.5 jacks for audio and C-type mobile charging unit, also noise cancellation slots and speaker slots. Both mobiles are slim, but you will feel little overweight when you use M30s compared to M30. Both mobiles are not water resistant, so if you take this mobile in rain, then you may get into trouble. Now let's watch how much time it will take to shutting down both mobiles. I'm going to apply pin while shutting down, because without pin it will never shut down. You can see a slight difference in the speed. M30s shut down more faster than M30, but it's just a slight difference. Now let's start both mobiles at the same time and see how much time it will take to start. Now you can see M30s booting few seconds earlier than M30. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you liked this video. If you like, please hit on the like button, share this video, also comment if you have any thoughts. Also, I am including links to buy these mobiles in the description box below. Thanks for watching this video. For more tech reviews, stay tuned with this channel. Take care, and this is Jason Peter.